Hey Sai, so I am standing in front of 2897, okay, Silver Square Lake Road. So it is facing the Square Lake Road, and that is at the intersection. That is the intersection of Dickwinder and Square Lake. So this is a north-facing condo, and I'm looking north over here. This is the end unit where I was talking about, that they have made the modification on the first floor, where they have converted that first floor or the entrance level into a bedroom and a half bath. For this house, again 2897, just at the entrance you have your AC unit, AC condenser over here. I enter into the house. So moment I enter in, you have two options. One option is to go up from here. Another option is from here we can go into the garage, and you can see actually that manager, the sales manager Teresa, she's standing and talking with other customers. So that's the garage, two-car garage. And moment I turn right, here you have your office space. Okay, so this office space is roughly around, I would say, the dimensions probably you have seen that, but I would say it's like 5 by 12 along this dimension. So this is your office space. It is having these three windows. Again, you are looking over there outside, which is the Square Lake Road, and then here is your coat hanger closet. Okay, and in the end unit, what they have done is like they have closed this wall all the way up to here, and then here they have a door, and they have made it into a bedroom with a half bar, but that is only available for end units, not for the middle one. Now from here, let me turn on the lights. Yeah, so basically here we are looking at the stairs, which do not have carpeting yet, and on the side they don't have this thing, they don't have the balusters what you were looking for, or the handrail, but it's a drywall. Okay, now I'm going up. I'm not sure if the number of stairs matter to you, but 3 plus 3 is 6 9. Yeah, it's around like 15 stairs going up. And basically as I enter in, you can see it's an waterproof vinyl what they have installed. Just over here is the half bath with the quartz countertop. It's a half bath for you. It is probably 4 by 5 feet. Or I take it back, it should be like around, yeah, this should be around 4 feet. This should be probably 3.5 feet. So it's your half bath looking from here. Okay, and just behind me is the stairs which I came using, like which I used to come up. Moment I come here, on the right hand side is your kitchen, and this is your main living area, and probably the middle one you can theoretically use it as your dining area also, or else you can have a small dining table here, and you can make this entire area into a living space. So let me turn on the lights. So again, like where are the other lights? Okay, I was not able to turn on some of those lights, but then there are a bunch of recessed lights over here. I'm not sure which those four how to turn them on. But now looking at the kitchen, it's a standard kitchen with the standard cooking range, and they have given a gas connection over there, you can see. So it will be a gas kitchen, and then these are the quads. Okay, and then this is like the soft close uh, kitchen cabinets. These are the soft close cabinets, and basically the color, yeah, previously it was earlier it was looking more or less like a white, but now I can feel it's a more of a grayish tinge. It's a lighter color only. So kitchen cabinets are grayish. On the video probably it looks more grayish, but that is like a color of white only, I would say. So again, this is your cooking range. Here you will have your refrigerator, and then this is your cooking sink, and your dishwasher will go here. And this is the view from the end of the kitchen. Okay, looking into the hall and those three big windows. And basically if I turn around, this is again Square Lake Road, and here also we have these three big windows. Okay, so this is the view at the side of the kitchen. So it's an open layout concept of the kitchen and the living area. We came from there. That is the half bath, and this is your living area again. So if I go to the living area, this is the wall which you are talking about where you want to make those modifications. I can check with her. And here is this uh, door, which is, I don't know why it would not open, but yeah. And then here is an additional storage area. I would say it's a coat hanger on the first living area also. Okay, let me go up. So let me turn on the light. So again, like this, probably will get those spindles over here. And now we are going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So again, we have 15 steps to go up. We came from this side. So basically, moment you come up, you can see those two bedrooms on this side. Actually, on this side, this is your one full bath. This is your washer dryer room, and then this is your master bed. So I'm just going into the master bedroom. Again, they are not done with the carpeting, as you can see on the floor. This is a master bedroom, is having two big windows facing the Square Lake Road, and on the right side over here is your walk-in closet. Again, this is a walk-in closet. Again, the walk-in closet also has these two windows. And then this is your master bath. Again, the same quartz toilet, and then this is a standing shower with all the fancy tiles which they have on the flooring, and they have the tiles from floor to bottom, from floor to top for the bath. Now I'm exiting out of master bedroom. Again, this is your washer dryer thing. So I'm not sure if they are going to give. Most of the builders don't give washer dryer at the time of closing. So probably we'll have to get ours, but we can confirm with her whether they are going to give washer dryer or not. This is the next full bath. Okay, and then again here I am looking at it, next full bath, and this is again the same quartz, same soft close cabinets they are given, the same tiles as what we have in the master bathroom, and the same tiles on the walls too. Okay, and now here I am looking at two bedrooms. So I'm just going into the one which is on the right side. And again, like it has this small closet over here in the master bedroom, and then it has this big window. And basically we are on third floor now, and these are like 2 levels above garage, you can say. And these are the other buildings which they are building, which you can see from here. Okay, and it seems like they're going to build one on this side, that would be third row, and they might be building eventually on the fourth and fifth on this side too. I will go to the third bedroom, which is on this side, left side, and then this also has its own small cabinet, closet, and it has its own window, double hung window. That's it, I guess. Yeah, I guess we are all set. Let me just turn off the lights. But again, like just one final view from the top floor. You have 2 bedrooms on this side, full bath, washer dryer, and master bedroom facing the Square Lake Road. Again, going down, and I will just give you a view how it will be when we go down to the 2-car garage. Let me turn off the lights in the kitchen. and living area. Then here I'm going down. And then here I'm going into the garage. Yeah, so this is your backyard. So basically this would be the additional parking spots for you or your guest on this side, as well as we can see a bunch of vehicles parked over there. So that would be your additional parking area for your guest. So basically once your guests come in, they will probably have to park in your backyard as the front faces onto the square lake. And again, like, this is the view of your two-car garage for 2897. Again, like, it's a general view. This building is all sold out. And this one also, most of the units, of all the 8 units, 6 have been sold out, 2 are available. And she's saying that maybe around December time frame we should get those homes. So the one which is like the middle inside one, which is like about to be done, that is one she's negotiating with someone. And then there is one more next door to that is available. And then this is like additional, like as I said, like this building is in process, so these will be eventually built soon. Okay, I guess I can stop it over here now. Thanks.